Hey everyone, welcome back to the podcast. Today we're diving into a topic that can truly transform your life, productivity. You see, productivity isn't just about cramming more tasks into your day. It's about doing the right things effectively. So let's kick things off with something I absolutely swear by: embracing morning rituals.
Morning rituals? Like, what do you mean by that? Is it just about waking up early or like having a specific routine?
Great question. Morning rituals are all about setting the tone for your day. Imagine if you were a race car. Your morning routine is the pit stop that gets you ready to hit the track. For example, I like to start my day with a glass of water, some light stretching, and a few minutes of meditation. It's like tuning the engine before the race.
Wow, that's interesting. So, do you think it's necessary for everyone? Like, what if someone is more of a night owl? Laughs.
Absolutely, it can be tailored. The key is to find what works for you. If you're a night owl, maybe your morning ritual happens later in the day. The idea is to create a routine that helps you focus and feel energized. It's all about finding that sweet spot.
I see. So, what's next? Sigh.
Next up, we have structuring your day into focused blocks. This is where the magic happens. Imagine you're a sculptor, and your day is a block of marbles. By breaking it down into focused time slots, you can chisel away distractions and create something beautiful.
Oh, wow. So, like, you're saying I should schedule my tasks? But, what if I get distracted? Laughs.
Great point. Distractions are everywhere, right? That's why I recommend using techniques like the Pomodoro technique. 25 minutes of focused work, followed by a 5-minute break. It's like giving your brain a mini vacation.
Oh, that sounds fun. So, what's the next tip? Sigh.
The next tip is to make quick decisions for efficiency. Think of decision-making like a game of chess. The faster you can make your moves, the more control you have over the game. For instance, if you're faced with a choice, ask yourself, what's the worst that could happen? Often, the fear of making the wrong choice can paralyze us.
That's so true. So, do you have an example of a time when you had to make a quick decision? Laughs.
Absolutely. There was a time when I had to choose between 2 job offers. I could have spent weeks analyzing every detail, but instead I made a pros and cons list and went with my gut. It turned out to be the best decision I ever made.
Wow, that's inspiring. So, what's the next tip?
The fourth tip is managing your relationship with technology. Think of technology as a double-edged sword. It can either be your best friend or your worst enemy. For example, I set specific times to check my emails and social media, so I'm not constantly distracted.
Oh, that's smart. But, like, what if I miss something important? Laughs.
That's a common fear. But here's the thing. Most things can wait. By managing your tech time, you're actually giving yourself the space to focus on what truly matters. It's like having a buffet. If you keep going back for more, you'll never finish your main course.
I love that analogy. So, what's the last tip?
Finally, we have concluding each day with a structured review. This is like the final lap of a race where you assess your performance. Take a few minutes to reflect on what you accomplished, what went well, and what you can improve. It's a powerful way to learn and grow.
Wow, that sounds super helpful. So, do you do this every day?
Yes, it's become a non-negotiable part of my routine. It helps me stay accountable and keeps me on track for my goals. Plus, it's a great way to celebrate your wins, no matter how small.
I love that. So, to wrap it all up, what's the key takeaway from today's episode?
The key takeaway is that productivity isn't just about doing more. It's about doing the right things well. By embracing morning rituals, structuring your day, making quick decisions, managing technology, and reviewing your day, you can truly work smarter, not harder.
Wow, that's amazing. Thanks for sharing all these tips. I can't wait to try them out. Laughs.